Do you want to make money online doing simple tasks? Then stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how to make money doing simple tasks with Amazon Mechanical Turk. So what is Amazon Mechanical Turk? So it's essentially a 24/7 workforce. It's a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. So basically when you come on here, you're either a business or you're a person that's trying to perform tasks for a business. A business requests tasks to get done, and then you pick it up as a freelancer and you perform that task. So some of the tasks are like participating in surveys, moderating content, and there are many more things you can do. Mechanical Turk allows companies to connect with people all around the world without having to hire them as employees under salary, and to use their skills to help benefit their data collection and to get things done. This way they don't have to spend a ton of money on a research and development team or certain employees or teams that have to do certain tasks that they don't have a budget for. So even though there's a lot of tech out there, people are still really good at performing a lot of tasks better than technology, like moderating content, performing data deduplication, and performing research. Typically this is done with contractors, but through Mechanical Turk it's even cheaper and it's a lot better to get things done. The tasks are crowdsourced, so that way you're taking a bunch of people to complete a bunch of different tasks that you need done. It's not like hiring one contract team to do all the tasks for you, where they might not be able to complete all those tasks in the first place, and then you end up wasting money. If you want to make money online with Amazon Mechanical Turk, first you need to click the Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk button, and we're going to make money as a worker. Then it's going to ask you to sign up and sign in, and then once you've done that, it's going to say they're reviewing your request to join Amazon Mechanical Turk. And then once they are completed with the review and you've been approved, then you can start picking up jobs. If you go to the menu that says HITs and you click that, you can go to the hit groups. So basically these are all the requesters putting out their tasks, and then you can see if you can qualify and complete a task. So let's say you want to get paid to do something that has to do with surveys. So you can search survey, and there's all these different surveys, right? So there's a survey data collecting task for psychology. So that pays $50. It was put up 15 hours ago, and if you want to qualify, you just have to make sure your hit approval rate is not less than 50. It's greater than 0, and your location is EG. Because the requirements aren't met for me here, I can't do this job. But if I did qualify, I could do that one. Your goal is to find tasks that you can complete where you meet the requirements. So for example, there's a task here from Survey Comment, and all you have to do is complete a survey. However, I don't have this qualification that's been granted. So if I wanted to complete this task, what I'd have to do is request qualification, and then once my qualification has been approved, then I can complete this task. You can look at your qualifications, and over time you can see your approval rate, the amount of tasks you complete, how many things you've abandoned, the return rates, and your location to see which ones you're available for. You can also see pending qualifications, so the one I applied for Survey Comment is right here. A lot of the tasks pay a fraction of $1, only a penny for a ton of different tasks. They do add up, but it can take a long time to earn that money. And for the higher paying tasks, you have to have a certain amount of qualifications in order to do that in the first place. So for example, like desktop video collection, you need to make sure you have a very specific state that you live in, or you have to have, a certain qualification that you have met, and sometimes you can't do that. So although on here there are a lot of tasks and a lot of easy things you can complete to earn money, you're not going to earn very much money on here unless you do these tasks all day long, and you'd probably be better off just getting a job. So if you're trying to come on here to make money, I suggest that you go elsewhere, because it's going to take way too much of your time in order to earn something you could do at just a minimum wage job. However, if you want to put a lot of time and work in and find the best jobs and qualify for them, then I suggest you go on here, you search all the different tasks, and you try to find the ones that you can qualify for. There is money to be made here. However, if you want to make a sustainable income, I'm talking passive income, where you wake up and there's a check right there for you on your phone, it says, hey, you just made $100, then you should check out this amazing training I took to become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to create passive income. As an affiliate marketer, you promote other people's products, and then you direct people to go to your affiliate link, where you can earn up to 90% of a commission if you refer somebody and they click on your link and buy. I've made money as well as an affiliate marketer, and I absolutely love it. If you want to learn how to become a top affiliate marketer, leave your day job, and learn how to make 6 to 7 figures online, then I want you to go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put the link up here and down in my description. Click the link in my description, you'll go to my landing page, enter your email, and then you'll be directed to the training that will absolutely change your life. You'll learn how to be an affiliate marketer, you'll learn how to start an e-commerce website, and you'll learn how to do consulting services. All of which are great business models that are sustainable and will earn you a ton more money than something like Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you like this video, hit that like button, I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you want to hear more content about how to make money online and how to be a business owner. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.